think a tiny apartment can't be chic, functional, and budget-friendly. This space proves small apartment living can look modern, vibrant, and surprisingly spacious. Welcome back to Manna Home Design, where we share brilliant apartment decor ideas, space-saving hacks, and affordable DIY decor to help you design a home that works smarter, no matter the size. Today, we're stepping inside a brilliant tiny apartment designed around chic decor and functional design. Every detail in this space focuses on budget-friendly ideas, modern furniture, and layouts that support real small apartment living. From smart zoning and flexible furniture placement to vibrant color accents and layered lighting, this apartment shows how thoughtful design can maximize every square foot. You'll see space-saving hacks, affordable DIY decor ideas, and practical solutions that make this tiny apartment feel open, personal, and highly livable. If you're decorating a tiny apartment, studio, or compact urban home, this tour will give you realistic inspiration to create a stylish space that works beautifully for everyday life. Before we get started, like this video and subscribe for more brilliant tiny apartment decor ideas, space-saving hacks, and budget-friendly design inspiration for small apartment living. Living room, space-saving comfort. This tiny apartment living room balances chic decor and functional design with modern furniture built for small spaces. A modular sofa, hidden storage, and compact proportions make small apartment living feel comfortable and uncluttered. Strategic space-saving hacks like a foldable coffee table and floating shelves keep the room open, while vibrant colors and textured accents add personality. These are budget-friendly ideas that instantly elevate a tiny apartment. By mixing affordable DIY decor, layered lighting, and flexible furniture, this living room proves that functional, chic tiny apartment decor can support daily life, entertaining, and relaxation without feeling crowded. Living room DIY wall and storage hacks. In this tiny apartment, vertical space becomes the hero. DIY decor ideas, floating shelves, and pegboard storage turn blank walls into functional design solutions for small apartment living. These space-saving hacks reduce clutter while adding chic decor through framed art, plants, and vibrant color accents. Best of all, these are budget-friendly upgrades anyone can recreate. By combining modern furniture, affordable materials, and creative styling, this wall proves that tiny apartment storage can be practical, stylish, and visually impactful without expensive renovations. Dining area, multi-use and compact. This tiny apartment dining area shows how functional design supports everyday life. A compact, multi-use setup makes small apartment living more flexible while maintaining chic decor. A wall-mounted table and stackable chairs are classic space-saving hacks, paired with modern furniture and vibrant colors to keep the area lively and inviting on a budget-friendly scale. With affordable DIY decor and smart proportions, this dining space proves that even in a tiny apartment, you can entertain, work, and dine comfortably without sacrificing style. Kitchen, functional and stylish on a budget. This tiny apartment kitchen focuses on functional design that supports daily routines. Compact layouts, modern furniture, and open shelving define smart small apartment living. Space-saving hacks like vertical storage and DIY decor upgrades keep costs low, while vibrant colors and textures add warmth and personality to this budget-friendly kitchen. The result is a chic, functional tiny apartment kitchen that feels efficient, stylish, and realistic, proof that affordable design can still look modern and intentional. Bedroom, cozy and smart storage. In this tiny apartment bedroom, functional design starts with smart storage. A platform bed and streamlined layout makes small apartment living feel calm and organized. textures, vibrant accent colors, and modern furniture bring warmth, while hidden drawers and built-ins act as essential space-saving hacks. With budget-friendly decor and subtle DIY design details, this bedroom shows how a tiny apartment can feel cozy, chic, and highly practical. Work from home nook. This tiny apartment work from home nook proves that productivity and chic decor can coexist in small apartment living when space is limited. A wall-mounted desk and shelving are smart space-saving hacks, paired with modern furniture and vibrant accents for an energizing yet budget-friendly setup. With affordable DIY decor and intentional layout, this workspace supports focus, flexibility, and style, perfect for a functional tiny apartment lifestyle. Entryway, first impression hacks. This tiny apartment entryway creates a strong first impression through functional design and chic decor, even in a narrow footprint. Mirrors, wall hooks, and slim storage benches act as space-saving hacks, while modern furniture and vibrant colors keep the area welcoming and bright. Using budget-friendly ideas and DIY decor, this entryway proves that a tiny apartment can feel organized, stylish, and intentional from the moment you walk in. small but impactful. This tiny apartment bathroom focuses on functional design that maximizes limited square footage while maintaining chic decor. Vertical shelving, space-saving hacks, and affordable DIY upgrades transform the room, while vibrant colors add visual interest without overwhelming the space. The result is a budget-friendly, modern tiny apartment bathroom that feels clean, efficient, and surprisingly stylish for small apartment living. Nighttime apartment atmosphere. As night falls, this tiny apartment transforms through warm lighting and chic decor, proving that atmosphere is key to functional small apartment living. Layered lamps, modern furniture, and vibrant accent colors create depth and comfort, all using budget-friendly ideas and simple DIY decor. This evening's setup highlights how space-saving hacks and thoughtful styling make a tiny apartment feel cozy, elevated, and perfectly designed for everyday life. If you enjoyed these chic and functional tiny apartment decor ideas, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with anyone decorating a small space.